The 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw stands out as a practical and efficient option for urban and rural transportation. Known for its reliability, Suzuki has designed this model with an emphasis on comfort, durability, and performance, making it a popular choice among rickshaw drivers. The sleek yet functional design reflects Suzuki's attention to detail, ensuring it meets the needs of both drivers and passengers. This auto rickshaw is powered by an upgraded engine, offering better fuel efficiency and smoother performance compared to previous models. The improved mileage is a major highlight, making it cost-effective for daily use. The engine complies with modern emission standards, which not only reduces pollution but also ensures lower maintenance costs in the long run. Its performance on rough and uneven roads is commendable, thanks to a robust suspension system that provides a stable ride even under heavy loads. The 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw is spacious and ergonomically designed to maximize comfort. The driver's cabin features an improved seating arrangement, easy-to-reach controls, and ample legroom, reducing fatigue during long hours of operation. The passenger compartment is roomy, with enough space for up to 3 adults. The seats are cushioned, ensuring a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. Additionally, the rickshaw comes with safety features such as seatbelts, enhanced braking systems, and improved visibility through larger mirrors and headlights. The exterior design of the 2025 model combines functionality with aesthetics. It is available in multiple vibrant colors, allowing buyers to choose a style that suits their preferences. The body is made of durable materials, providing resistance to wear and tear from daily use. Its compact size ensures easy maneuverability in narrow streets and crowded areas, making it ideal for urban environments. The vehicle also includes storage compartments for added convenience. This model introduces modern features to enhance the overall experience. It comes with a digital instrument cluster, providing essential information like fuel levels, speed, and maintenance alerts. USB charging ports and a small audio system are added conveniences for both drivers and passengers. For those looking for customization, Suzuki offers various accessories and options to tailor the vehicle to specific needs. Drivers will appreciate the low operating costs and high resale value of the 2025 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw. Its durability ensures long-term use with minimal expenses, while Suzuki's wide service network provides easy access to spare parts and maintenance support. This combination of features makes it a preferred choice for individuals looking to invest in a reliable and profitable vehicle for commercial use. To explore more about such reviews and stay updated with the latest information on automobiles, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you detailed reviews and insights into the latest vehicles, ensuring you make informed decisions for your needs. Join our growing community today and stay ahead in the world of automobiles.